It all has to do with confidence. It's never, almost never about the clothes. I'm Julia Blank, and I'm a personal stylist in Singapore. So my job is to help clients improve in appearance, which is how you come across with your clothes, in behavior, your gesticulation, articulation, and communication skills. There's so much more to what I do rather than just finding clothes for people. When you come to me as a new client, I will always have a little phone call with you to explain how we start so we end in the right desired position. So there's always a consultation, mood board of styles, color analysis, wardrobe edit, shopping, makeup, and accessories. So that's step-by-step process that all of my clients go through with me. And we all go through events in our life that we need a new suit, we need a few pieces of clothes, and that's where I come in. A personal stylist is someone who really understands where you've been and where you're going. What's your everyday life? She kind of becomes your therapist slash stylist. I've been doing this for 18 years, so yes, most of my friends do come from being a client before.